Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of TapLab, and in this video we're starting out on Snapchat and I'm going to show you how to use the brand new portrait mode in Snapchat. So this is a brand new feature for their camera, the camera screen that we're on right now, right here. And what we want to do is tap this button right there. So we can go ahead and tap that, and now it's going to give us a little drop down. There we go. Now you can kind of see them more. So we've got timer, portrait, and grid. The grid is just a toggle, so you can toggle to turn that on and off. And the timer you can turn on to take a photo, and then it's going to go 3, 2, 1, photo, bam. And then we have the portrait. So here is the portrait mode. So you basically just tap on this. You can tap on it again to remove it. But tap on the portrait mode to turn it on and get a different background here. You can see that it's blurring out the backgrounds over here, and it's finding a focus on my face and my body here. So that's pretty cool. Let me switch it to the non-portrait mode so you can see what that's like. So there you can see the door comes more in focus there. Let's turn it back on. And there you go. It focuses on my face, sort of outlines me. Some more stuff in the background there. I think it's doing a pretty good job of it. And then from here, once you have the portrait mode on, you can go ahead and use this button to take a video or photo as you normally would. Let's go ahead and take a photo real quick. So there's a photo. It kind of messed up like the shoes that are sitting there on the right side of my face, but this is kind of a weird background. So it's going to fluctuate how it does based on the backgrounds that you use. You know, some might work a little better, some might be a little off in the lighting and stuff like that. Just something to play with. And I think it's something that Snapchat will tweak over time. I know that when iPhone released portrait mode, it kind of sucked. The edges of faces and everything would be distorted. It didn't do a good job. Then they tweaked it a little bit, and I think it's actually pretty good right now. So let's go ahead and do the same thing with a video. So you just hold your finger down for the video, it's recording. Still got the blurs in the background, so that's nice. It's working. Let me hit the X. So yeah, just hit the drop down. We got some options up there now. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. If you don't have the portrait mode yet, be sure to update your phone, update your apps, all of that stuff, and then hopefully you get it. I know it just released, so I don't know if everyone has it yet. And that's all. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications, drop a like on this video, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard, go hard, go hard. You might win. Don't blame your problems on the past, 'cause that'll make you come and last, so go hard.